Good morning guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Once again, my name is Hello Baby Official, and guys, today I'm coming live and clear from Villa Manjarin over here, and I thank God for this far. And guys, in case you're new here, subscribe, load to 5k subscriber, and I really appreciate it, guys. So today I want to take you around and showing you huge transformation that have been going on here, and at the same time I'll take you back to my project, guys. So stay tuned, more amazing videos coming, guys. Well guys, and I'm just here and I need to take you to the solar, and there is huge progress going on here. And actually I'm heading this way, guys. So it's evening time here, so we're just chilling here, and my motorbike is over there. Oh guys, so I'm going on the top, guys, and I wanna say hi. Hey guys, sorry for the music, but I'm heading out. I'm just climbing here, and I'm heading to the rooftop to see what is going on, you know. So guys, and wow guys, so guys, finally I'm on the rooftop, and this solar installation of the solar panel over here, and this is a huge transformation, you know. So we can see the entire village, and the other side there, the Spasi. When you go upside the river over there, that's my Yugnos place. So guys, we just neighbors, some few kilometers, 100 meters, some meters. Well guys, oh man, hey, that's so powerful solar panel. And yesterday, guys, if you're watching videos, Uncle Mo were cleaning the solar panel here. Serious. Hey. Well guys, hey, this is a new technology, guys, over here. And you can see even that way, when on the rooftop you can see other neighbors. Oh guys, and it's Alamon, it's evening over here, and I feel so happy, guys, to be here. And I want to say, guys, thank you so much for those who subscribe to my channel, for those who are liking my videos, comment, and also share, guys. And yesterday there's some solar arrived, and today I hope they wanna install. But in the morning, guys, I was not around here, so I captured a little bit, and I was working at home there. So at the same time I was having my project, and I need to run them. So I see even at the far end some installation of the solar around the corner. So this home are very big, and they need a lot of security. So in terms of light during at night, and maybe when visitors arrived here, so they need to charge phone, they need to have enough lights. Like, oh man, it's a huge progress. And on the rooftop of the villa we have the solar heater. So if you want to have some hot water, man, you can have it. But it's a nice thing, man. So this 100% I recommend on this. Is pure huge transformation, guys. We can't complain on that, you know. So our village lived like 1.5 years without an electricity, guys. So nowadays we use another method, guys, to have solar panel like this one. So it comes from that way, you can see, up to the end, man. So let me go and show you more and more amazing, guys. So I hope you've been there, and all the way positive vibes on my videos. So that being said, every day, and positive vibes always win, guys. So hey, so we go down. Look, Joey. Oh, guys, and you must be very careful, guys, here. Ooh. Oh, guys. Oh. Wow. And I see at the far end, congrats mom over there filming the video. Oh, guys. So let's go and see what is going on, man. Wow, guys. So this is the green fan, and I'm heading this way, so to show you amazing videos, guys, the new transformation, and see what is popping. Hey, all this. Whew. So I feel like I wanna go up to that way to show you. So for the new transformation, guys, and that being said, there is a huge progress going on here, and the good thing about in our village here, every day you want to have some project. Every day, guys, every day project. So like today's morning, there is some installation of the light, guys. So you can see over here, look over here, and they're gonna be come back to this. So it's been set, so during around maybe from 6 evening time, 6 to 7, it's gonna be light, guys, here. So it create maybe enough security, guys. So you know, cornering, guys. And we have another one over there. So I'm trying to look. Oh, guys, busy and I'm trying to look where I'm gonna pass. So to show you other side. Hey, oh, guys, and I really arrived the progress that have been going on here. So it's so fantastic, guys. Oh my god, where am I going passing to? Ooh. Me honestly, guys, I'm trying to see where I'm going to pass to, but I didn't see the place. Oh, guys, whether is there the entrance, at least at the far end, guys, you see the light, and we have so many of them. So let's see. I wanna go around to see the main entrance, and this is the field for training the horses over here. Ooh. Oh man, this is the field, man. Wow. So let's go. Oh. Wow. So they wanna pass here. Hey. Let's see. Ooh. So the reason why I put some barbed wire here is inside here you have some goats, sheep. So They don't want to interfere with the kitchen garden, and it's doing good. Good, good, and good, guys. Wow. Hey. So this is the kales, guys. Means sukuma wiki. You can see, guys, and it has some broad leaves. Wow. And over here we have papaya, upcoming papaya, guys. Oh, guys, and remember, in our village here, farming is the main backbone, you know. So like here you have kales or sukuma wiki, and for those guys who live in US, big up, we called collard green, guys, over here. Sukuma wiki means to push the wiki, guys, and at the same time we have yams. Hey. So I was going to show you solar installation. So that's the huge progress, guys. Wow. Just over here you can see over here, and me, when I'm vlogging, I must show you things when I'm mentioning, and I don't want to black things and say, oh whoa, look at this. Wow, guys. So let's go. Wow. And I feel like I want to use that side, because here you must have some strong gumboots. Hey. And these scales are really grown, you know. So like, man, technically, like, this time is the month of harvest season. You harvest the maize corn, and then and then you take to the portion mill, you grind and get flour. So when you just hear as a team, I'm trying to tell Masubu there is a time, so we wait the rain and we expand the kales, because this one here, you plug it like one suckers. For example, like this one here, these are suckers, and then you plant. Like this kale, you can stay like over 10 years when you're maintaining good, you know. Oh, guys. Okay, so that is the video of today, and actually enjoy, guys. Look at this flower garden over here. Hey, look, very shining, guys. Look even other side. Wow, guys. And I'm feel, guys, I'm so blessed to be here. So like yesterday videos, I learned so many things, guys, and it really motivates me and guide me. So guys, don't forget, at the same time I have my own project. I was building my family modern toilet, guys, and which is a big thing, and I really appreciate you guys for that. 100% I appreciate on that, because without you guys I couldn't manage to build my mama my mama modern toilet, guys. Sorry for saying dream house, but by God's grace it will come later. So without you guys I couldn't maybe change my mama maybe lifestyle in terms of basic need, things like food. Oh man, but when I'm trying to imagine back here, it's so difficult when I see my mama maybe purchase small cooking oil, sugar, soap, and I feel like it's so painful. But I'm consider the background which I came from, which I born, and I get it the way they are. But I'm trying to improve it. But nowadays, my mama enjoy a lot, guys. So guys, keep supporting on me by watching my videos, like, comment, and also share, guys. So don't skip ads anymore. That is the big thing you can support Hello Baby Official, guys. So guys, let me show you. This is the box of today's solar light installation, and it's written here, oh, private street lamp without electricity. And number one was solar battery charging, zero charger, easy installation without wire, so it means it's wireless. And all in the other way, technology try to improve in terms of technology. And the lead, the green and energy saving, high quality batteries, long service life, larger capacities, aluminium alloy body, prevent burst in rain. So this time, oh, you can set in time, intelligent light controller, and wireless remote, guys. You can see this is the solar and this is the remote, guys, over here.
When you're just touching it, you just touch like so, not that you go like this, because when you go like this, it's not that you are, let me just say, you are new. So just touch it, just call it.
Let me put my hand there.
You can just like that.
Like that.
Yeah,
Rio. Guys, I'm touching Rio. Rio. Enjoy.
I'm not going to go.
Oh guys, so it's early morning here, and my construction has been resumed again. So right now, guys, the mason were cutting steel bar and doing every stuff, guys. Look at this amazing cars that's over here. But the dimani ka dog. Oh, okay, guys. Hamad is there, guys. So this is my project over here. Nafundi nitaenda nikuja na mbao nyingine. So the timber not enough, guys. So when I'm saying timber, I mean this one. Oh, guys. So the traffic is too nice. Okay, guys, do the silver. Oh, nice. So guys, my toilet take a shape today, guys. So I want to smear the concrete on top, and then everything should be okay, guys. And I need to take my motorbike outside. There's something mess, guys, out, and I need to go and purchase on the hardware. Whew. Man, hair construction is so tough, and I must be very hardworking, man. So I bought the pipe, and my mason told me there is something they need to cover here on top, like, yep. And he need like 2 to 3 timbers, which have already been splitted, and I'm going to check it out, man. I feel like, oh man, but it's a good thing, and it is what it is, man. So I need to take my motorbike. At least when they use the cement over there, I'm gonna park my motorbike inside. You can see has a lot of drop of the rain, guys, looking in the mirrors and all stuff. So guys, I'm feel so happy, so comfortable, because right now you see the mason, I keep cutting the steel bar, and arrange. After that, they wanna smear concrete on top and create things like this, guys. I mean, on the top we call slab, we create things like this. Wow, guys. Well, guys, so right now I'm heading home, and my uncle gave me this tilba here, over here, this 16, guys. So I'm trying, and I tie it here, so I'm trying to pull it up to home, guys. So right now, as I talk here, the mason are being keep cutting some steel bar, and this one here you put at the middle or at the center for the support, guys. So this is the D16. Oh, guys. Oh, guys, so right now I'm heading home, guys. I'm looking so my uncle gave me this 16 because I have no idea. So the mason told me you must have this 16. So for the support of the center, and my uncle gave me, man. Wow. So here is home. So I need to remove it, and I give the mason, guys. Hey. Sasa hii siko sawa. Nitaweka katikati. Let me look the knife, guys. Okay, guys, I come to look for the knife. Whew. Whew. Wow, so I need to cut them. So it's so hard. I need to cut them. Like, wow. Wow, guys, so I need to pull it this steel bar, so it's on the ground, guys. And my uncle gave me, it's this 16, man. Let me show you. Me, I'm not blagging things. It's this 16. Let me stand this way, and you can see, guys. Look, this 1 6, this 16. Not jokes, guys. Then, hey, I'm heading to my construction. Hey. Wow. Fundi sasa uteka kati. What's going on here?
Method.
Hii by saa 8, saa 9 imeenda. And here we expand at least around 2.5 feet to create some washroom on the other side. So here, this is how we arrange this is D10, I mean, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, this is D10. Nice. So it's a great day, special day, and I'm heading to look for the timber, guys. This one is not enough, so I'm going to congratulate Dad. I'm higher around 2 to 3 timbers, because right now I didn't have maybe money to go to the timber yard to buy some timbers, guys. So I'm going to hire there. So after the work, I will return back. Fundi na hii misumari ya nini ulipiga?
Hiyo ilikuwa ni kipimo changu cha bafu choo hiyo.
Sasa ukifunika utajua aje?
Si nitajua. Ninajua.
Well guys, so I came to take some timbers here and I've already taken outside. So after this I'm going to show you I picked 2 timbers, so it's okay guys, and I can finish my work. So let's go this way. Hey, I'm friendly to this dog. What's up? Well guys, and there is some construction going on here. Wow. So we have many timbers here. You can see. You have another one that way. Look, everywhere. So congrats Dad. They try to split much and more timbers, guys. Wow. So there's some foundation going on here. Mtachimba wili mhalisi. Shikam. Oh guys, so Shikam is just morning. Hi. So there's some foundation over here guys for the perimeter wall. We can have an anchor tago to condo churura kumusi. Kwani ora wangu tukale. Nabi mame tuma. Si upana ni futi 2. Hai, hii iko sawa. Sio chini sana. Hii iko sawa hapo. Jana ilime kwenda hapo. Yeah. Pamekuwa pagumu. Hii mchanga ni mzuri kutengeneza tofali. Ni mwegeso. Yeah, so guys, that being said, this muram, or we call loamy soil. It's good for making bricks. Yeah. Okay guys, good. I hear it in now. Yes, so I'm calling. There's one guy called Goody. I'm telling him let's take my timbers home. So sorry guys for the vernacular language, but it's okay, man. Well, so I'm heading home, and I have already been given 2 timbers by Congrats Dad. Amazing. Hey. Wow. Let's go. Wow guys, and sorry for the music. I have Jamaican song there. So this is the timber guys over here. Guys, so here I'm going with my timbers. So it's right. You can see. That's the timber guys. I'm heading home guys. So I messed like 2 of them, and I went to Congrats Mom and Congrats Dad, I mean, sorry guys. So I'm telling him assist me with some timbers guys. And then guys, Congrats Dad said take my grandchildren, take, no problem. So east to west, home is the best. There is home, man, and it's good. So right now I have my own timbers. It's over here. I'm heading home right now. Alright, so take the views of my village guys. Technically everything's great. Here is home at the far end. that you see there, that's home. Wow. And I must go around. Yeah, guys. It's my grandma home. Hey. So guys, I need to take these timbers to other side, and I mean from here up to the toilet, it does like, let me say, 150 meters apart from here up to there. Okay, so this is home, and this is the timber, and man, so when I mess maybe something small, I can go there to contact dad. I ask, and they want to decide to give me. So it's just over here. And guys, I'm not blagging things. When I'm saying I'm heading this way, I'm going to do this, just how I'm showing you my lifestyle, how I'm moving on, how I'm doing things, how activity taking around at my home here. So this is my beautiful home, guys, so stay tuned, man. So I bring the timbers here, and I need to check the work which have been going on here. This one, look at the bar we called barb dry. Guys, this is how we arrange. Utachocherea zote zishi hapo. Ni hakuna chuma kazi yenye naifanyia sai. So the steel bar which my uncle given, so this 16, this one here. So we try to put at the center for the support, because guys. So we create like a draft. There is a time I was telling you guys, we arrange like a draft, and then you tie it. You tie it like this one. You see, these have been tight, and then here we create a foundation. Sasa ile msingi tena utakuja kuchimbia hapa.
Kuna msingi. Unaiona hii silabu? Silabu tu ndio inakuja mpaka tunakorogea hapa. Ukutu unasimama hapa juu ya hii chuma, juu ya hiyo silabu. Ila hapa nitapashindilia.
Sina upale pa ukuta, sio sema utapanga mawama.
Wapi?
Ukuta wa choo ama ushautoa kitambo ukuta? Si hapa kuna ukuta wa choo?
Wenyewe upo kwenye hesabu tu kama kawaida, utasimama tu ukuta kama kawaida.
Ule wa kufunika mbele hapa.
Wapazia. Wenyewe mpaka tutajenga msingi. Mpaka tutajenga msingi.
Bana hawezi choo ni kubwa hiki ya Mungu.
Acha bwana muingie ndani hata kama unakaa usingizi kidogo unasinzia. Mabati. Saa hizi usiniulize. Mabati nani?
Hii ni siku.
Haya nitakujibu, tulia kidogo. Madam, nitakujibu. Umeanza kupata pressure. Kama mmefaulu kulijenga limekula mawe yote hayo, weka hapo kwa chuma,
So my mama, they wanna ask how many iron sheets. I don't care me. When I get the money, if it's 10,
13.
Yeah. Check. Yeah. Alafu ndo auti yeki yawe kwenda nyuma sana hivi. Zile zinaona zinalala, inainuka fida lala hivi.
Utaki.
Sitaki ile mtindo.
Iwe kama ya nani? Si kama ya nani tu ya tuhesabu hivi, ona. Sentimita 200. 400. 400 sawa? Sentimita 400.
400 is a Swahili word, so means 400 centimeter, guys.
400 jumulisha 85. Umepata ngapi? 400
jumuisha means minus 440 minus 85.
Ingawa kwa 10 na kwa 20 na ngapi?
Alright guys, so just happy moment again, and I want to show you today's work. So they take here some material and transfer to other points. So well guys, so they scoop here sand. Sinamura motore musuko start goven. This is the work of today. And here is where they take some sand from here. So imagine this one tipper or one lorry, and then I make blocks, and then everything, even plaster, it can help. And maybe I will add more one lorry, guys, for in case over here. And guys, I feel like I want to push some wheelbarrow. Oh guys, so this one it will remain, and maybe when my time allowed to build my mama dream house, I will use this one. So guys, I want to pull it this wheelbarrow. Simamia. So utanifata vile naenda tu. So unaniona nikisukuma wheelbarrow. Tembea huko chini. Oh. Hey. Alright, so I need to do exercise. Yes, guys. And I feel like one day I could have my own wheelbarrow. Maybe I'm using my neighbor's wheelbarrow. I can't be around. Hey, I'm trying, guys. So guys, so I'm trying my best, and I can't pretend, guys. I know how to do these things, but if God bless you with something, let's support each other in another way, guys, to get daily living, guys. Wow. So they went for the next trip right there, guys. So let me ask whether my mama gave them lunch. Mom, no one is here. Oh my god. Wow. So after this, guys, videos, I want to explain more about my project. And guys, if you know, you have been there watching my videos since I was starting up right now, and I thank God for this far. And I want to say, guys, sorry because this makes some noise, so but it's okay. Wow. Oh, that's my brother's chicken. Have some chicks. Oh, hey, yeah, very tricky. Oh, so after that, I want to show how they make some concrete balance stones. So ungeka huku ndo unapigi 9. Leti rekodi mali kuonesha. Anakoroga hivi. Hivyo ndo unakoroga hivi. Hivyo singasa mka hiyo side. Pia kabisa ile kai. Sasa ndio mko minga 5. Ine? Yote. Ya kwanza ilikuwa 2 hiyo. Zimebaki 3. 3 na nusu. Amewambia mali. Kabiri bana ni kwa nyingine kijana. So guys, so I'm asking him today how many bags of cement will be used to compact this place here. So he told me to use around 5 bags, and it's okay. So guys, So for those who are having some friends, your friend is here. Say hello.
Hello.
You good?
I'm fine.
Ulienda shule leo? Umefanya mitihani mingapi? Moja. Yes guys, so I'm asking my sister today, did you ever go into school? And then said yes, because since morning I was not around here. I'm going to look for the mason and handman and all stuff, steel bar, going to my uncle's timbers, going to contact dad and give me. So I'm asking her, did you do some exam? He told me yes. And yesterday he told me that when her teacher mark exam, he get excellence. And in the future maybe she's gonna be a doctor. God's plan, right guys? This is the work of today. Oh, and let me see. Just a minute, guys. Oh, guys. Wow, guys. Okay, so I'm just rotating and look what is going on and all stuff, guys. Oh. Simama hapo. Hapo. Simama tu hapo. Wow guys, and it's a harvest season. As you can see from the far end, it's a harvest season, and at the far end people are harvesting. Cows are grazing over there. Wow. Oh guys, and let's check out whether the cow is okay. And I'm going this way, guys, to check our cows. I got there to see some guys, some ones over there. Ooh. So this is my mama cow. They wanna be grazed over here. Wow. So this land is too short, and grandma have 3 boys. So but my father, he was the firstborn, and also my grandma have some grandchildren. So we can get some small partition here. Maybe a place you can place maybe 1 house, 1 toilet, it's over. Wow. So it's a harvest season or dry season, as you can see. So they have already harvesting some maize corn. This is the remaining stuff over here, and also so on, guys. Wow. But I'm just taking you around and see how things they are here. It's super amazing, super amazing, guys. And maybe you can think that is the end of the world, but when you go deep, when you go to other side, you're going to Tanzania, you know. So we located near the border of Kenya and Tanzania, guys. Wow. Hey, this is my grandma Kels over here. Or skuma wiki means to push the wiki, guys, over here. And this banana, when you cut it and put aside like 1 week, it's gonna be ripe and direct you eat. Wow. Oh, guys, other one here, other one here. And the reason why I create the toilet over there, maybe one day one time when things went right and it's God's plan, I could maybe create my house over here, and you have a loo there or a toilet, and the other side is my mama house, and between my house and my mama, between there at the center you wanna have a special or a nice compound. And guys, I don't mind to go far away with my mom, so I wanna stay around with my mama, take care of her, guys. Wow. From my neighbors borehole, guys. Wow. Pereka waya kwa nyumba tu. So and finally they wanna smear here. Wow, guys. So guys, 100% I recommend on that, because without you guys I could manage maybe to build a huge toilet for my family, guys. It's by God's grace, and you being there, you make it. So, and guys, wow. So I was that being said is without you guys I could manage maybe to build this toilet and my family to share with you this special modern toilet, but it's so huge, and I don't feel like I could run out of this, but God keep pushing me, and I'm doing my own stuff. And I know for the haters, they don't like maybe what I'm doing. They wanna say, oh, blah blah blah, ABCD. But for the real sense, you can see. And this is the chimney. If you watched yesterday's videos, you wanna see how I'm purchasing this stuff for taking out of the fumes and all stuff. Wow. So they create a draft. So when I was talking about draft, by that time, guys, it was this one. So this is the 12. When going this way, the 10, and at the center I put the 16. So well, guys, so on this one here, this mark which have been left here, this is the pipe which connect from the washing room going to the toilet inside. And this mark is for the measurement of the toilet. When you put your foot going deep, chubu, like chubuguru, chop. And then we have another one here. And then this is the pipe. It connects from here, going. Hey. Nambana mura kokotu inaonekana. Ama ni kubwa. Tambia fundi kokotu inaonekana. Haifai. Takuja nimwambia ni kidogo tu ataeka. Guys, so maybe guys advise me, if you are doing construction, you know some balance stones when you mix and create a concrete, it doesn't look it. It just look like flat field like this one. But for those who are asking me, hello baby, just cover your toilet, it's under maybe in other bad way, but right now we try to manage it, and we boom just over here. Well guys, so I thank God today is finished. Wow. It's so big, guys. Let me stand at the side of my neighbor's land here. It's so big, guys. Look, try to imagine, guys. Look, and I'm creating which it can survive for the long time, not like today and tomorrow it's full. So I create one after all, guys. Hey. Tandaza sasa, kikuja yeye tajua tu hii choma ni kubwa, nitaijenga nimalize. Lakini imetoka sehemu ngumu. Hapo block wanajenga siku 2 imeenda. Yes. So I'm telling him, in terms of setting of blocks, it's 2 days only and ready to go. So from tomorrow morning is curing of water for this field of my modern toilet. Morning, evening, up to 7 days. That's 1 week. So tomorrow is on Friday. Up next week, Friday. And then maybe when I get money, like 7,000 Kenyan money, that's equivalent to 60 USD money, I'm gonna finish the toilet for the setting of blocks up to the top. And then we shall see for the next progress, guys. You know, everything, it's come with some reason. No hurry up, guys. Hey, now I look the chimney, guys, going. It's 10 feet. It's all right. Hey, you know, twanga kabisa. Kono ukwagina gambuti ba.
Gambuti zilitoboka.
Hey, sementi hata mimi nilikorogaga inatoboa. Inatoboa kweli. Yes, shindiria kabisa. Lakini hapa hivi mtaenda mchoti ya supu unaona hata wewe hapa. Ona hapa. Ona hapa. Yes, unaona. Si hadi rafiki yangu unaona supu hapa. Ya mwaga yani supu mawe. Amwagire supu yenye iko na mchanga. Yes, supu mwage tu hapa. So I'm telling him to bring some smooth one and pour here, guys. So lakini sijaona choka kama hii ufundi. Mimi nilikuwa ninapima milango 3 kawa kadogo, lakini mwisho wa siku imevutwa hadi hapa. Hey, sasa mimi choo ilikuwa imefika somewhere hapa. Unaona hapa? Kwenda hapa. Sasa una penye imefika. Tazani ni niose.
Inategemea kile limuelezea.
Mimi nilikuwa nimemwambia ajenge choo bafu. Lakini akaniambia inafaa kuwe na choo zako, choo na bafu yako, choo na bafu ya mama labda. So ikakuwa hivyo. Acha bana, so tarevarize wenyewe. Now guys, so I'm just to explain my friend over here. When the mason setting this toilet, he told me I want to have my own washroom and toilet, and my mama washroom and toilet. But I don't want to block at the center. Yeah. So this is the mark point here, and I feel like, because this is our boundary, this is our neighbor's land, so this is our boundary over here going up to Gawi, and then our land, it reach over here, not big, just like 100 by 70, a small land. Wow, guys, so let's see the upcoming of my toilet, guys. Oh guys, so the work have already been ended for today, and I need to pay the mason and handman. And guys, sorry, when the clothes have been washed and after dried, they wanna put there, but I came to arrange my house, guys. It's look like shagala bagala, look. But no problem, guys. So it's evening time here, so I thank God today's work have already been ended, and I need to pay the mason. So after that, I want to say thank you so much because guys, my work have already been ended and I've already curing the slab, guys. Although this is my parking point here. Alright, guys.
Kaneke tu kwa mguu pole pole. Mnasemaje?
Msija mkanyage hapa. Nashukuru fundi sana.
Haya. Hao watu walikuwa wameniambia 600 kazi ya leo.
Sasa mimi nalipaga hivyo. Mimi siwezi lipa sijui 400. Mimi nalipaga hivyo. Iwe kokoto iwe nini, mimi nalipaga hivyo rafiki yangu. Si uliza hata fundi siku ya mouse kwenye walisoma. Wewe ndo nilipa. Na sikazi labda mmeanza saa 2. Hiyo ni yenu 1000 wote wawili. Oh guys, so I use per day around 30 USD money for the mason and handman. Well guys, so I thank God the work have already been ended good, and from tomorrow morning the work is to be cure water here till 7 days. Simbaki Ijumaa, kesho ndo wataanza tena mpaka Ijumaa siku ingine.